Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on biometrics and security. Here tap on fingerprints. Now let's tap on continue. And if you don't have any backup screen lock method set up on your phone, like pattern, pin or password, you need to do it now. I'm gonna select pattern, for example, but you can select any of these options. Now I'm gonna draw the pattern I want to use for my phone. Then tap continue, draw it again, and tap confirm. And now I can scan my fingerprint. To do it, simply press your finger on this fingerprint sensor right here on the right side of your device, on the power button basically. Press the finger and keep pressing the sensor with your finger. Move your finger all around the sensor. And once you see this screen, fingerprint added, you can tap done, and that means your fingerprint was added. And we can check if it's working. To do it, let's lock the screen on our phone, and let's try unlocking it with our fingerprint. And as you can see, it is working. And that's how you add a fingerprint on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.